Hello guys, welcome to another trading section breakdown analysis on AUD NZD. My name is Ezama Gochuku. So I'm here to break down AUD NZD for you guys so that you know the directional bias for the market. Now, previously for the last week, we were able to generate $1,670 in the market, which I will be giving you a psychological breakdown on how I was able to achieve that goal in my next video. So, but right now, I want to have a top-down analysis on the AUD NZD for the coming week so that you individually or the traders that also watch my YouTube sections and YouTube videos were able to know the perspective to which their directional bias should be at when trading AUD NZD. So today, like I always trade, like I always trade the forex market. These are the way I trade my forex market, and I've been able to highlight how I trade the forex market. Number one is identify market structure, identify trending market, identify key levels, identify demand and supply levels, identify chart pattern, identify candlestick formation, execute trade while being patient so that the trade will play out in your direction. Then execute when you have the right confirmation or confidence to use while trading the forex market. Now, let's begin with the analysis on AUD. Currently, we can see that we are currently having what they call an uptrend, a form of retracement to the upside from this previous what drop from this zone to this very point. So currently now AED entity is recovering from the weekly level. So currently we term this was an uptrend market. Now what do we have here from the previous weekly candlestick? This is what a strong what recovery phase of what a bullish market. So we'll call this then an uptrend market. Now what do? We first of all spot out what that from our subconscious mindset that we have a move to the upside. A move to the upside, which is what an uptrend. Now what do we have next? We trend to what mark out areas of what key level is structural area of what key level in the market. So we have something like this, previous high and what the previous low of previous what weekly candle. Now what we do next, we go down to what our daily what time frame because currently now I'm doing what they call top-down analysis using the multi-time frame. So I'm breaking down the chart down to what 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart for what places that I will see that we have what the ability what to execute our what entry. We'll go down to the daily time frame. Now what do we have? We still maintain what higher highs, higher low, a kind of recovery phase in the market. Now we go back to picking this up so we don't miss track of our rules of engagement. Now what do? We try to use our pulling line to identify areas, structural areas of uptrend market. So we have been able to revise this. So we'll start what plotting our key levels from here, from this very point. You have one key level here. Now understand that key levels are support and resistance. We have another one here. So this is what resistance, here is support, here is support, here is resistance, then here it broke out support, here is support, to mark that area out. Then we have what a form of what support key level here, which has come what a form of demand level because it has tested this previous point twice before shooting to the upside. So since we have been able to break down the key level, so all we have to do is to go toward the lower time frame, which is the 4 hour time frame, to spot out what other areas that we need to identify. So go down to but before we go down to the 4 hour time frame, we have to remove what is this polyline. Then we'll go down to the so we are down to the 4 hour. What do we do next? We continue to plot out what our areas of what structural what bias in the market. Now, you should have in mind that this trade that we are trading is already what in an uptrend market. So all we have to be doing is that we are going to be looking for areas of what bias that shows us that we are going to continue shooting up because currently now this trending market has not given us a signal for us to what sell. So buyers are what still active in the market, giving us the right suggestion that we are still up in an uptrend market. So everybody should have the mindset that this market is still what in an uptrend direction. Now, but before then, I have to identify a form of kind of uptrend. I have to identify uptrend so that I know where I am headed to in the market. So let's go back to our 4 hour time. Okay, we're on the right track. So what do we do next? We identify market structure in the market. So we'll start from this very zone. We'll plot our market structure. So from what we can see from this chart, matter is another key level. Now, from the 4 hour time frame, we have already spotted out the directional bias to the market. Note that we are still in an uptrend market. We have not broken out of the structural bias of either sell. So currently now we are still bias. Our bias is bullish. So what I'm expecting in the market going forward, my bias is that if we break out these previous highs, then we have a form of a retest. A retest. Then from here we'll be looking at a form of chart pattern or candlestick pattern that will give us the indication to buy in the market. That will give us indication to buy in the market. And we'll be looking for a previous level of either taking profit or we are indicating our stop our key level, which is supply resistant to take profit from the market. So currently now our bias is buy. In a scenario that we below broke below this previous level, that in a scenario that we couldn't break above that resistance zone, which is here, which is this point, resistance, we couldn't break, then we broke below this level, which indicate that we have broken structures of higher height, then all we have to do is wait for what retracement down to this place, giving us what a candlestick formation. Then we sell to this very point. Or if we need, if we have the insight that we are going to still go downward, we can what push down to this point. But here is a very good scenario to take profit. Here is a very good scenario to take profit, and here is a very good scenario to take profit. So these are the point that you as a trader can take profit. Now remember, this video is meant to educate you. It's not meant to give you a financial advice, but a financial education, not a financial advice. So what this video, learn from it as an education perspective of it, and not a financial advice. So from AD we have two directional buyers. We still have what the AD in a bullish trend. So in a scenario that AD breaks down to the breaks down this previous level, which we call market structure, break down below this market structure, which we get a broken structure, then we'll be looking for a kind of form of what rated, which will give us indication to short. But also remember that we still have here to take profit, here to take profit, and here to take profit. So I do believe that AD analysis is very clear to you and very understanding to you. So if you have any question, do not forget to contact us at www.eleven13traders.com, or you can also visit our website and contact us, or you can drop a comment section below our YouTube channel so that we can be able to reply at a very definite time. So I do believe you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and subscribe while you continuously get our video analysis and the insight to our forex trading and top-down analysis. Thank you very much. I still remain Ezama Ogochukwu. God bless you.